That's how you go get it. Somebody gotta make their money in these streets. I hustle hard, nigga. I hustle hard, nigga. I hit the block like, yeah, yo. See me in the Bentley coupe, ride through the neighborhood. Everybody wanna shoot, looking for the Benjamins. Hoping they gon' get it, but they never catch me slipping. I'm the motherfucking henchman. I lay low in the cuts like Jay-Z. Hanging in the hood when I'm flipping that Bentley G. Niggas in the hood, I would talk about Cool P, the postman. I'm sacrificial, homie, go hard in the litter. Everything stand in the middle like the left lane when I dodge it. Niggas get the robbing, I'm problem solving. Pull out the Mac and A9, I bust hard heads up in the game. Niggas show me love. I'm here just to ring a couple of bells and tell a nigga how I feel in the game. All is well. I stand on my fucking on 2 feet. So when the nigga try to get at me, I tell him get at me. Cause I'm the G that been hanging out low. I catch you in the hood in the red 6-4. That's how I ride, stay low key. Cause I'm the OG, just put the Y in front. And you can see who I be, cause I've been totally disaster. Leaving the motherfucking nigga missing in the gang, calling him the body snatcher. My whole hood, they label me like numb. King of the slum, so nigga, what the fuck you from? She's supposed to be the said she never forget. A hard head and this motherfucker can't regret. A bloody cadet, just like my nigga salute the slum. King of my native, so we call him baby numb. Chain holders, you niggas stepping in the game when I shoot like a train marine. Nigga salute, Suave House, the nigga know the game. I beat Cope, my niggas on the side, straight selecting the beat. White tee jacked up with my nuts hang. Run in your hood if you wanted this dope slang. My distribution, I got niggas up on the block like entrepreneurs, hoping they can hustle and gang, nigga wanna sue us. See us on the block, on the corners, like wanna be here now. On the sideline, homie, they never be. I stay elevated up to the top, going between the motherfucking bridges, something like rap a lot. I stand on top of this motherfucker, ain't never been a squirrel in this world, cause I'm a bustin' nut on every sucker. When you wanna get behind the fucking barrel, I'm leaving these niggas up in the hood like a sparrow, chasing tails of fine clientele. I keep your bitches standing on the corner, pushing and popping as well. They really can't even handle the problem, so I continue to bring it to the gang. Your niggas, they wanna come with it to solve it. I'm from the streets, I'm from the streets, I'm from the streets, I'm from the streets, I'm from the streets. You niggas ain't hard head, these niggas ain't hard head. I know they wanna try to get at me lyrically, but I'm the motherfucking nigga leaving these niggas they wanna be. It ain't no sense in nigga trying to come, cause I been up in the game, nigga holding it down like Uncle Tom. I'm in the streets saluting the game, running with things. These killers, they don't even know name. I step up on the fucking stage, and I can do it better, and I can get the mic like Will Smith. I'm a redder, I say time too. I be the native on the block, busting that same check when niggas wanna see the spot. Man, this is the freestyle shit, take it to another level. I said I can't nigga on all kind of levels on the music.